So if the cone is heated and then pressed into a sphere, find the radius of the sphere. So that means that it's going to have the same volume. All right, so it's going to have the same volume. So the volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. And I know that the volume is 4172. And it wanted me to round to the nearest number, so I'm going to round to that right there. Let me clean this guy up a little bit. So I need the 4/3 to go, and I need the pi to go. Okay, that's going to get rid of those, and it's going to leave me with a number equals r to the 3rd power. So, calculator. Put it in as a fraction so that I'm sure I'm okay there. So 4172 over, I realize that's wrong, I'll fix it in a second, 4/3 and pi, that should be 4712, all right, 4712. So 1124.907. To get rid of a 3rd power, I have to take a 3rd root, which is in the math button. So math button, number 4 is the 3rd root. And I want the 3rd root of that number right there. This gives me 10.400. And it says find the radius of the sphere. So we're going to go 10.4. Doesn't say what to round to. All right, next thing says find the surface area of the sphere to the nearest hundredth. All right, well, the surface area is 4 pi r squared, which is 4 times 10.4. Whoops, I forgot how pi. 10.4 squared. So 4 times pi times 10.4 squared, which is 1359.178. 1359.178. It says nearest hundredth, so 1359.18. And it says if the radius was increased by 10% with a new volume V. So the radius is 10.4. If I'm increasing it by 10%, it means I have 110% of what I had before. Because if it stays the same, I have 100% of what I had before. So that is 1.1 as a decimal. So I'm going to multiply this by 1.1, and that will give me 110% of what I had before. There's other ways to do this, but that's the easiest way. So 11.44 is the new radius. So then it's going to be 4/3 as pi as 11.44 to the 3rd power. Which is 6271.431. 6271.431. Doesn't say what to round to, so let's go 100 for right now. All right, and that is a whole bunch of volume and surface area questions all jumbled together. If you redo this, one of these 2 learning targets on for a reattempt, you are going to have to do both of them. So make sure that you're up to speed with how all of that stuff works.